What's up, guys? All right, police helicopters right there. They're telling us to get out of here. We're at, where are we now? MTV Cribs right now. Walking on a bridge inside of a house. Is this where y'all play pool? Does this have? That's freaking awesome, dude. It's a bear. Wow.
And then this is outside. And then the second lot's over there.
That is Aaron Lewis's signature.
This is the movie room.
Boy. Just a movie theater chilling in the house.
This is the beauty right here.
Look at this thing right here. See, it says 700, but it's got a little bit more than that right now. Shelby F-150. It's probably pretty quick.
It's too sad.
Is it pretty quick?
Dude, it's quick.
There's a bird.
That's Ziggy.
I have a whole bird on me. So how's it going, guys? We're at, where are we now? So we're at my buddy Logan's house, and I've got a bird on me. Oh. Oh. Wow.
Buddy.
So this is a boat. I bet you this bit is bad. It turns on. Oh boy. This is just a regular day. This is a bridge I always drive over. I'll put this on his truck. We're not gonna tell him. So his truck is right there. Let's go do this. Hey, don't say anything to anyone. So this truck's about to have a Hello Kitty sticker on the back of it. He won't notice it. Hello Kitty. He'll never know it's below those seats down there.
Oh yeah, you little fucks just started a war. You little fucks just started a war.
I don't care if there's a sticker on my window that says Fig Newtons across the whole side of the windshield.
Only stickers on windows.
All right, guys, what's going on? It's Friday right now, and we're gonna go ahead and head to Dallas. What we're gonna do is have a meet down there. Gavin's hosting a meet, and then we're all gonna be there since we're all on the channel. So what we're gonna go do is load the truck up, put the Mustang in the trailer. All right, so we're leaving 6 Media right now. Me and Jake are gonna head to the apartments. We're gonna load everything up, and then we're gonna go ahead and
we're gonna be on the road to Dallas.
All right, guys, so Gavin's trailer is good to go. The Mustang's loaded up inside of here with all the merch. I'm riding with Daniel, Austin, and Harry. That's Caleb. So let's freaking roll out.
This grass is weird. Because it's like soft but rough at the same time.
Yeah, I've been naked on it.
It's like, huh?
I'm rocking the tie because I'm Poe. Harry's spiffy as always. You're Cleb from now on.
Sure.
Nice to meet Cleb. Austin, Daniel, Harry. Let's freaking roll out.
Fuck, I have never seen one of those trucks with that big of a brush bar on.
Why are you stressing? Cops involved.
Got him! That's not good. You see that right there? Oh boy, that's really bad. Yeah, the car came loose. It hit the back.
100%. Huh?
The car came loose.
Here?
What the fuck? Huh?
It's loose.
I don't want to look at the back.
It definitely hit the back, but there is not one mark on the back of the car. Dude, it literally did this.
It's literally just a small ass
What the heck?
What the fuck? There's no way.
It's warped a little bit.
Oh boy.
Well, guess we're gonna keep on trucking. All right, we're gonna go ahead and roll out. Let's go. Make it to this meet.
M-E-A-T.
Meet.
M-E-T-E-E.
Don't let us die el meet.
What?
Where's the meet?
I've no.
Oh no, something happened. Oh no, he had a blowout. The cop's doing it for him.
Nice cop.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Respect. Much respect.
F. It's totally a fan running from down the road all the way up to Gavin's truck.
Make sure you come give me a high five on the way back. I'm cool too, man.
I'm gonna get out, I swear to God, I'm gonna be like, it's the rest of us!
What's up, dog? It's Poe and Harry. We made it to Dallas. Here's a big old spaghetti bowl. I like spaghetti in a bowl.
There's gonna be
Bro, this is going to be insane.
We just made
all
it.
those cars back there, we just made it. Woo! So all these people right here, if they got a car that's not stock, they're most likely coming just because that Gavin's showing up here. So let's figure this out.
I can see it.
This is insane. Dude, look at this. Everyone's honking. Hi. This is completely insane, all these cars back here. This stuff's already banging, guys. Ooh, hell yeah. Ooh, supercars. Oh yeah. Everyone's all running over to find him. Oh, it's getting big right now. Cops with all their lights on. Shit's getting real right now. What's up, bud?
What's up, y'all?
Howdy, howdy. Chris! What's up, dog? All the way from Bossier. What's up? Nate! Hell yeah! Don't get ran over, fam. So many people. Hell yeah!
More people know you than me here.
What's up, dog? What's up? What's up?
Hey!
What's up, boys? What's up? What's up?
Yeah.
Howdy, howdy. Take a step back. Unleashing the biggest dick ever!
Turn every switch on this thing on.
Alright, let's freaking do this. What's up, guys?
Every one of these pop-up meets that we're going to start hosting, we're going to get everybody to come in one at a time and start signing the wall. You know what? Ready to get out of here.
Alright, police helicopters right there. They're telling us to get out of here right now, otherwise we're going to jail. Meat is currently shut off. This is getting crazy. This is a lot bigger than what we thought. Howdy. Police helicopters. What's up, dog? How's it going? Hell yeah. Oh. He's pushing his bike. I didn't even notice that was there. There was too many people, I couldn't even tell. Here, you getting some? Too much of a crowd for Gas Monkey right here, so we're gonna relocate to a different parking lot. Hopefully we can get something good going on. Let's freaking roll. If this ain't content, I don't know what is. Y'all have one word for this?
Fucking wild.
That's two. My word is woo! Wow. This got crazy really fast. Oh, they got a burnout pad going. That's a smart car doing a burnout. Gary, where's that? All right, guys, we relocated. Everyone's coming in here fast as hell. As soon as Gavin posts his location, then it's gonna be game over pretty much.
I said it's
Let's
like
get
we
it
had
out.
4 stars on GTA over
Dude, we had 5, dog. There were police everywhere. Oh my gosh, you was just a 6?
Take number 2, man.
Just a 6, bro. Take 2.
We are going to try this again. We're at a second location. I guess we need to post to say where we're at.
I got about 20 minutes. It's not gonna even get it.
All right, guys, we're currently inside of the trailer right now. They made us move, so we're riding in the trailer. It's bouncing all over the place. We're gonna show up at the next location and see where we go from there. And look at them, they're already piling in. Spot 3.
What the fuck? We have a lot of stuff, and we didn't get to sell it because we got kicked out. This is by far the coolest thing I have signed yet.
¿Dónde está la leche? El bueno.
Way better. There you go.
Hell yeah.
Anywhere you want.
I want them all.
Here you go, man.
That case going on the wall.
What is going on, guys? It's your boy Bo, and that event was freaking crazy. Thank you so much to everyone that was involved, all the fans, Gavin making this happen, ZORBII making this happen. ZORBII just had a little too much to drink. Oh yeah! We're at Gas Monkey right now. I'm super happy that all this is going on. Thank you to everyone going with everything. Watch ZORBII's channel, watch Gavin's channel. That's Jess. Let's freaking see you next time.
Fire, get ready to take it higher. Real nigga coming out your amplifier. Y'all want every black man to be rich and proud. Why these weapons fuck up and turn into shy, huh?